quickest guide to recording face and screen on your MacBook. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's directly get into the topic. So first of all, you have to open the screenshot toolbar by pressing shift plus command plus 5 and click either record entire screen or record selected portion and click record. Click the stop button in the menu bar or press command control ESC to stop recording. And after for face recording, you have to open QuickTime Player, go to file, new movie recording. A video window will appear showing your webcam feed. You can reposition and resize it as needed. And after that, you have to combine screen and face recording. For that, you have to start your screen recording first. Position the QuickTime Player's movie recording window on top of your screen recording. You can resize and move the QuickTime Player window to frame your face as desired. So that's it for the video. That's the method you can use and get record your face and screen on your MacBook at the same time. So see you on the next one.